Hi guys, it's Pamela Naturals. I'm just quickly sharing with you how I make this super slimy, slippery elm detangler at home. It's natural and yet super effective. So the first thing you need is slippery elm, a small leaf of aloe vera and flaxseed meal. And for my hair, I just used a teaspoon of the flaxseed meal and a teaspoon of the slippery elm. And to that, I just added 1 cup of warm water and mixed everything together. Now, you'll find that depending on the length and thickness of your hair, you might need to use more of the slippery elm and the flaxseed, and this just obviously depends on that, and you have to do a little bit of trial and error to find your exact measurements. Allow the mixture to sit for about 10 minutes. Next, you just want to start prepping your aloe leaf by peeling the prickly bits off and just scooping the aloe in readiness for blending. Now to your blender, you want to add your aloe and a tiny bit of water, and the water is just supposed to help move the aloe around and allow it to blend properly. And you want to just go ahead and strain the mixture into a small little bowl before we also go ahead and strain the slippery elm and flaxseed mixture. And you'll find that after 10 minutes, the mixture is actually quite thick and quite slippery or slimy as well. The next thing we want to do is just strain the slippery elm and flaxseed meal mixture. And that's because we don't want little particles left in our hair, after rinsing or after using the product. And notice that I've actually chosen a different cloth to strain this particular mixture because it just gives me a much smoother result. So now we just mix the aloe and the slippery elm mixture and add some essential oils. Rosemary has got really good benefits with hair growth and just anti-inflammatory properties, while peppermint is really good for stimulating the scalp. And lavender, well, I just love the smell, although it does also help with hair growth. Mix everything together and voila, our detangler is ready. All that's left to do now is use a funnel to place it in a container and it's ready to use. As you can see, it's a good amount and super slimy when I rub it against my palms. Let's see how it works for my hair. See this mess in here? I don't think I need to tell you that this hair is super tangled. So I'll just demonstrate the front and show you how it works for the front portion of my hair, after which I will go and detangle off camera, guys, because this is a job and a half. So I just grab a tiny little section and start applying the detangler to my hair, and I will just start to finger detangle. You should always start by finger detangling your hair before you use any tools, just to avoid yanking the hair out and breaking your hair off. A lot of people complain that they don't see their hair grow. This is probably one of the main reasons you're not retaining your length. The process of detangling. Obviously, guys, you kind of have to work the product into your hair, but it provides me with quite a good amount of slip, and when I go in with my wide tooth comb, it's actually quite easy for me to detangle my hair. Detangling our natural hair is one of the most crucial processes of natural hair care. This is the place where most of us get it wrong. If you're too rough, if you're too fast, if you're not, patient to work through the tangles with your fingers with a wide tooth comb, you will not see your length retention. And that is why, if you're not really patient and don't have the time to be detangling your hair, your regimen really should be focused on minimizing the number of times that you're detangling your hair in any given month. So I hope you have found this video helpful in your natural hair journey. Please comment below, let me know if you use it, if you use something else, how you're gonna change it, if it worked for your hair, or whatever else that you use to detangle your natural hair. Let's learn together. Until next time, bye.